Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Etsy integration with Shopify, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Etsy integration. Select an Etsy integration app from the search results. Click on the app to view its details and features. Press the Add App button to start the installation process. You will then be redirected to your Shopify admin page. Follow the prompts to authorize the app to access your shop. Once authorized, you may need to sign in to your Etsy account. After signing in, grant the necessary permissions for the integration. You will be directed to the app's dashboard. Connect your Etsy shop by entering your shop name. Customize your settings according to your preferences. Decide if you wish to sync products automatically or manually. If choosing automatic, set your sync frequency. Review the synchronization options for your listings and inventory. Save your changes once you have configured all settings. Start the synchronization process to link your products. Check for any error messages during the syncing process. Monitor your inventory levels to ensure they are updating correctly. Once everything is synced, review your Etsy shop to verify the integration. Your Etsy integration with Shopify is now successfully installed and configured. Explore additional features the app offers to enhance your store's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.